You should have filmed that.
There you go, internet. Danielle sneezing.
I hope somebody makes a gif of that. That would be awesome.
Hi guys, it's 11:30, 11:26 to be exact, and that actually is a little bit fast. It is officially 11:22. Like, you guys really care. So Cadence wants to be on camera apparently.
That was really funny to me, and I don't know why, and I just almost drooled.
Nice. You do that quite often. I really could make a compilation of videos where it's like, whoa, I just drooled, or oh, I just almost drooled.
Hey, I have overactive saliva glands, I think, or something. I don't know.
You should swallow more often then. That's one of those moments where you say something and like the minute that it comes out, you're like, oh, I didn't mean it that way. We're gonna go to lunch and then we're gonna go to Jessica's house and play a little bit and then put the kids down for naps. Oh, we have a party tonight. Today's a big day.
We're gonna party.
It's just a birthday party, so
yeah.
it's not like we're gonna go partying. Partying?
Partying?
Who says that even?
We're
gonna go partying.
Super white girl from the valley.
Someone that doesn't go party? Me? That's who says we're gonna go partying.
We're gonna go partying.
He's like leaking out a lot of dirt. Whoa, like a lot.
I think he's a street cleaner too.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not a street cleaner.
Well, not like a street, maybe not a street cleaner, but like maybe like a parking lot cleaner.
Huh. Well, it's definitely
Definitely.
dirtying up other places.
Yeah. Really
There's no point to you, sir. She has the hiccups. Cadence has the hiccups.
Cadence has the hiccups.
The hiccups.
Who are we?
We're Cam and Danny.
Subscribe!
That's not stressful or scary at all. Nope, not one bit. Not at all. Am I recording you and you just found out? Did you just find out? Are you playing the drums? Good job! Good job!
Good job! Did you see me? I was playing drums. Daddy made me play drums. Really? More mason jars? Really?
Yes, really.
This woman is obsessed with mason jars. Obsessed.
I am obsessed. And I know when to stop, but I am not ready to stop yet. Like, I have a lot that I still want to do with mason jars. Like almost all the mason jars that I have bought, I have purchased. I mean, I'm tired, can you tell? Almost all of the mason jars that I've bought, I have used. Like, they're almost all of them are being used right now. And I've bought a lot of mason jars.
You're telling me.
So like, I'm using them. We went to a birthday party. It was a great party. It was great. It was just a bunch of adults getting together and mingling, honestly, just celebrating her birthday. So it was really, really, really good. We're gonna try and get together with them within the next couple weeks, with the kids and all that. So that should be really fun. We stayed there till like midnight, and we got home at 12:30, and then realized we forgot cat food, and they were out of cat food. So we went to Walmart 12:30. Grabbed some cat food and came rushing back home. So now they're eating as we speak. They're you can't see them, but they're eating it. I'm gonna be going to bed shortly. Kind of winding down. It's kind of been a big adventurous day. So kind of just winding down now. Watching some HGTV. House Hunters. My fave.
Yeah, that is your fave.
It is my fave. Well, on HGTV it's my fave. I need to go to bed. That's what I need to do.
Time is it?
I don't want to know. Like 1:30 probably. 1:46. Alright, we're going to go to bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Good night. Good night.
Mwah. Thank you.